Hey my Nappy Subbies, welcome back to Nappy Missy101, and today I want to give you my 30-day rice water challenge update, okay? Listen, you guys, I thought it wasn't a winner, but I went to check in the mirror, and listen, it's a winner. It is a winner, especially for her growth. Guys, this really worked for me, okay? So listen, let me just give you a length check, alright? And you guys, I wasn't even consistent how I said I was gonna be, so I apologize for that. I wasn't consistent, but the thing is, it worked. My hair is there, guys. It's here, okay? The front of my hair is here. Oh my goodness. Now we got this side. It's here. I believe I'm seeing her growth, guys. Like, seriously. This side is... it's here. But let me know. I think I see a lot of growth. Seriously. For me, this is like literally a win. I am so excited. And I haven't even been using my hair oil as I should because I wanted to see if the rice water alone would work. So once in a blue, I did apply my hair oil, but normally I apply it every 3 days, once every 3 days. But this time I wanted to see if the rice water alone worked, and it worked wonders. I also had oil in my rice water as well, so my hair didn't really dry out or anything, guys. So I think on an average, I told you I was gonna use it every day as a leave-in. I did use it as a leave-in. I still haven't even washed out my hair because I don't wash my hair often. I give myself about 2 months before I next wash it. But yeah, I think on an average, I may have sprayed my hair twice, 3 times a week. So I think this was amazing. This was amazing results for me. As far as thickness, my hair has always been thick, so I don't know if I really noticed much. Shedding. Not much shedding going on either. So maybe it's the rice water that's helped. I'm not sure. But normally if I do that, a good bit of hair comes out. So that's the amount of hair that's come out. So like I said, it's a win. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is your girl Nappy Missy. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See ya!